Hi, my name is Fernando. I'm a graduate of the APIIT School of Computing with a bachelor's in software engineering. APIIT has helped me excel in the IT field by exposing me to a wide range of topics in the tech industry. The teaching and supporting staff at APIIT have been instrumental in shaping my learning journey. They've helped me with their guidance, their words of encouragement, and been with me throughout my entire journey. I would like to advise them to take the plunge. Sometimes it can be a tough journey, but if you work hard and apply yourself, you get over the other end with the skills and knowledge that you need to overcome anything that comes your way. I would like to thank the teaching and supportive staff for the guidance they've given me along the way, and especially I'd like to thank the friends that I've made here that have been so incredible and have made this journey truly worth it.